I've left San Sebastian in the car here. It's going well, Volkswagen T-Roc. But that's beautiful, northern Spain, San Sebastian. Now we're coming through the centre on the way to Salamanca. And look at the difference. It seems to be a lot drier, flatter and hotter. So this is going to be interesting, but I've got to get some water now. Yeah, so if you bring your car on a driving tour of Spain, you'll notice beautiful lush green mountains of northern Spain, and as you come through the centre to Salamanca, it turns out to be dry and flat. It reminded me so much of my home state of South Australia. So I've stopped off at a truck stop, and there's a restaurant here, and I mean, we had the problem here with the English, but one of the men here could speak, and we're going to have barbecue. See, look, beautiful. So very nice. Very nice place. I'm going to have this. Churrasco, a meat dish. Barbecue chop and chips and drink and bread. Yeah, well, you'd say it's a sort of a rough old sort of a restaurant, that, in the middle of nowhere. But the buddy, he told me about I said I want meat. And I reckon he ran and got a piece of steak and threw it on the fire in there. And I reckon the chips were about a day old, and the steak, I reckon that by the time I ordered it and sat down at the table, it was there in about 5 minutes. And it cost €10 for the steak and chips and $2.50 for the soft drink. So that, anyway, none of them. Luckily, the one bloke there, but I didn't feel like a salad there. I don't know what the salad would have been like, but anyway, you've got to eat. So onwards to Salamanca. It's called the Vincci Ciudad de Salamanca. Yes, I'm in Salamanca, staying at the Vincci Hotel. Quite nice too. Had dinner here last night. I've got to work out how to get into the city. I think it's down that way, but nice bar set up. The big kitchen area, breakfast area through there. Coffee area there. And what have we got here? They may have some bullfighting here. Do you have bullfighting competition here?
Sorry?
Bullfighting competition?
Yes, it's not a competition. It's a traditional.
An event, yeah.
Yes.
How many times per year?
Sorry?
Once a year or?
Yes, in Salamanca it's
once a year.
Yeah, normally in all the cities it's when is the bank holiday in the city, you know.
Yeah. Well, I went to Pamplona and they have 9 days.
Yes,
of,
here we have also,
yeah,
but
yeah,
it's different.
Yeah.
It's not the same.
Not the same? No.
No, because here the bulls are not
Running through the
running
city.
through the city. No. Exactly.
Yeah. That I went there yesterday.
Yeah.
But this is very nice.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, look, it needs. I can see in its day it was very high quality. The fixtures and fittings, the bathroom, a lot of money spent.
Yes.
When it was built. How old is it? Do you know how old? When was it built?
In 2002.
2002. Timber work and the marble, the walls. My bathroom's got a lot of features in it which you don't normally see in a hotel 22 years old anyway, but very nice. Yeah, so that's a Spanish breakfast. A lot of bread consumed. But this is a rather large breakfast area. So pastries are big in Spain too, breakfast time I've noticed. But a lot of cold meats. A lot of cold meats, a bit of fruit. So yeah, it's... I always like to have a big breakfast. Sometimes miss out on lunch then. But yeah, it was a good room, good sized room. I think in its day, I think it's about 22 years old. In its day, it would have been a very fine hotel. A king size bed. Refrigerator. Safe there, but all good quality fittings. You know, the timber finishings, the hanging space. You got a desk, got storage for your luggage. You got plenty of lights. So it all looks good. Then you got the bathroom, and sometimes you can judge a hotel on its bathroom. You got a bath and another shower. You got a bidet there. You got the toilet. You got good quality, right? Everything's good quality. The only problem is the shower. Trying to get in and out of there was very difficult. But yeah, it's in its day it would have been very good. The only problem is now the air conditioning's not quite good enough. The air conditioner struggled. And in this day and age, you've got to have a better shower than that. I struggled with this door getting in and out. And then when I wanted to have a shower over here, I couldn't. The button there wouldn't work so that I could use the shower. It was only set up for the bath. Anyway, so that's the Vincci Hotel in Salamanca.